everyone, this is Oscar here again from Cubicle Ninja, and today I'm gonna share another value with you guys. It's kind of like an announcement about the series of tutorial that I'm doing inside our YouTube channel. This is the series of tutorial courses on how to create a website design inside the Builderall platform. And I would like to make an announcement that I will be sharing, or I will be giving away a ready template website for those of you guys who are following us, who are coming along, creating a website inside the Builderall platform. Currently, we are doing a series of how to create an e-commerce platform inside the Builderall. And in our next video, we're gonna have all those website ready template that you can be able to use if you are running an e-commerce or dropshipping platform or any type of website in the future, that whatever we create, in this tutorial, you can be able to access this using the Builderall platform. If it happens that you don't have an account on Builderall yet, we will have this video tutorial. We'll have a link, down below where you can register inside the Builderall platform, and also how you can transfer the ready template website we've created, in our series of tutorial. And again, I'd like to encourage you, for those of you first timer who have been in this channel, I encourage you to subscribe to our channel and also click the notification button so you can be able to access an update for all the series of video valuable tutorial tips that we are posting here on a regular basis. We also have a live streaming every Saturday where we do the actual tutorial, a step-by-step course on how to create a website inside the Builderall platform. So I invite you to come along with us. Once you're registered in the Builderall platform, you can be able to use the platform itself. So that's the great thing with Builderall. And again, I also have to announce that we have a membership panel here in our YouTube channel where you can able to access all the perks that we are sharing. Okay, and that's include the full tutorial courses. If you are a business owner, if you are kind of like a doing a freelance virtual assisting and you want to add portfolio in your career as a digital marketer, social media marketer, or even freelance business owner, we'll encourage you to join with us and become a member so you can be able to access those tutorials, a lot of tutorials that we are sharing with you. And we will discuss that in our future video as we come along to all this series of tutorial that we are sharing with you. And without further ado, I'm gonna go over now to the the YouTube video that you can be able to access literally on how you can register on Builderall for free and also access the website template that we are going to share with you. Eventually in the future, we're gonna have all the list of template here, ready template that you can literally use if you are a business owner or if you are a freelancer, you can literally use the website itself. I know a lot of business owners, they kind of like looking into this website, Fiverr, for them to be able to find, a template or asking website designer to do the website for them. So if you're going to follow with us, if you will come along with us or keep subscribing with us, you can be able to access a ready template that we are giving away to all our viewers if you are a Builderall account user. So without further ado, I'm gonna go over here, and in order for you to register, you need to have your email and password, kind of like setting up a new account inside the Builderall. If it happened that you don't have an account on Builderall yet, and if it's happened that you already have an account inside the Builderall, all you just need to do is log into your account and able to access the free template giveaway that we are going to give here. So for those of you who doesn't have an account yet on Builderall, so here's what we're gonna do. I'm just gonna kind of like creating a dummy account here, a temporary email account, so enable for me to access the registration inside the Builderall. So basically, I'm just gonna type in my name. This is just a dummy account. Okay, so there you go. So I have to create a password. Okay, Kate 2021. Okay, so in order for me to be able to use this access, right, 2021 and registered. Okay, so there you go. I'm gonna do the same thing. There you go, and I confirm. Just click the terms and condition policy and then registered. So what will happen next is you're gonna be inside the Builderall platform, okay, and you're gonna have your own account. So just let Builderall know where are you from. So in this case, I'm gonna click the Canada because this is where I live. So you basically have your own access now inside the Builderall. So just remember the email and the password that you've used. Okay. So once you've done with that, so you have basically you have your own account now. We're not gonna touch anything here. All I need you to do is go back to that video that I have here, which is I'm recording right now, and eventually we're gonna have a lot of ready template here that we're going to share to all our viewers. So in this case, like this, for example, we have a ready template for a sales funnel if you are a nutritionist. So this is basically what you're going to get, and I'm going to show you what is this website look like literally as we go along. Okay, so once this thing pop up, you just need to confirm. As you can see, that is your name, Kate Mosed. That's the one that we registered, and you basically gonna have that template itself, and I will show you what is that look like when we get into your dashboard. There you go. So this is the ready template that I'm explaining to you about. So it goes to your account inside the Builderall platform, as you can see right there. Kate Mosed. This is the dummy account that I did, and all you just need to do once you got here, you don't need to create a website. It's done already. So what will happen is we're gonna have a file of template, whatever type of business that you are running, or whatever type of, let's say, niche product that you're selling, if you're e-commerce, a drop shipper, and basically you can have that template for free. Okay, so let's go and publish this sales panels that we are giving away right now. Okay, so I'm sat this is the thing here. You're just gonna have to have your own domain link into this account, so you can be able to have this sales panel looks professionally done, okay, with your domain account. And what we did here is we got the email sequence already set up, automated. So I'll show you everything in detail. So let's just first have a look into this platform and see how it is, the entire funnels look like. So the funnels have 3 pages, and this is what it looks like. If you are nutritionist, I think you can, adapt, or you can understand what is the product that you are selling. You can relate to what is this all about. Okay, that's what I'm trying to say. So this is a kind of like a sales funnels. If you're whatever type of business that you are running, that kind of like, wanted to get your customers email and their information, and here there will be a thank you page, for those of the client that subscribe to your email, as well as some of the, privacy policy that was. So basically, you're gonna have a full ready template to use for you, whatever type of business that you are running. So that's typically a ready template that you don't need to do, you might gonna do some kind of like a little bit of editing, right? Depending on what type of services that you offer, but this is literally done and set up for you, and you can able to have this for free. And I'll show you the email list that we did here. For some reason, let's see if we can able to access that at this time, because we've done. Hang on. We need to get out of here, I guess. Or you need to go to your main account. Yeah, right here. And if you're gonna go to the mailing boss, this is we can explain further what this is all about. If you're watching our channel, you can basically understand what I'm trying to say here. If you are a Builderall user, okay. So we don't have an let's check this one. Last name, Kate. Let's just type in Kate Doe, okay? Just for the sake of just getting into the platform, okay? Name, let's type in Kate, and we're not gonna do anything here yet. And the address, just type in your address, whatever, right? So it's kind of like just asking you your information. So that's basically, I'm just showing you what we have done here, the template that is ready for you that you can use, literally use, okay? So let's say, just bear with me and then click this button and think you're done. Oh, it didn't went through. But anyway, yeah, I think we have some tutorial on how you can create your email list in our channel here in YouTube. So I would like to invite you to check that out. But basically, you've done this part already. The website is already in your account, literally. So that's how you're going to, have some value that you can get from us, from watching our channel and supporting the channel itself. Anyway, I'm gonna go back to my okay, right here. I'm gonna go back. There you go. So, if you have any questions with regard to digital marketing, social media marketing, affiliate marketing, if any way that we can help you, or if you have any suggestions, topics that you want to find out, not only in Builderall, don't hesitate and feel free to leave a message for us. Anyway, I would like to thank you again. I hope you get some value of this video that I shared with you. And if you like the content that we have here, I encourage you to subscribe and click the notification button for more update. Have a good day. Bye.